Uh-oh. Not sure what he's doing. Guess changing the oil. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We're gonna be racing this weekend, I hope. We got rained out, Mocan, a couple weekends ago. Then we didn't get to test and tune because it was canceled. That snow really impacted a lot of racing around this area. Everything was shut down. So no racing those 2 race weekends. So we are still yet to get this car tested. So hopefully we'll be testing tomorrow. Today's Friday, so we'll be testing on Saturday. Keep your fingers crossed on this one. We had some rain here last night. The temperature really bottomed out. It's down in the 40s for the high, but tomorrow's supposed to be sunny and 69. Hoping that we'll be able to test this thing tomorrow. They're supposed to have test and tune out there tonight at the track. It's here in Tulsa. Don't think it's going to happen. Just too wet out there. It's cloudy. It's just, I don't know who would go out there. But Sunday, it's supposed to be really pretty, sunny, good weather. So hopefully we'll be out there testing tomorrow on Saturday. So anyway, so what we're going to try to do is we're going to get the trailer ready. We got to get the generator all secured down, connected back up, make sure that's working good. Get some air in the tires. The tire pressure monitors gauge my truck was showing these things are low. It's been sitting through the winter. So anyway, need to get some air in those tires and just basically get the trailer prepped for the race coming up here, or the test and tune session coming up here Saturday. So let's go ahead and get that stuff ready and get ready, get this trailer connected up the truck. That'll be tomorrow. Then we'll be going out the track. I'm going to shoot some videos out there. So can't wait to see how it goes. I'll have my 360-degree camera. So expect to see that later on in the video. So y'all have some 360-degree shots out there. So with that, let's get this thing ready. And hopefully we'll do some testing tomorrow. Won't know. Hey guys. Hey, want to reach out. We've finally passed 500 subscribers. It's not a lot, but we are growing. So if you could please hit the subscribe button. Helps our channel grow. Hey, helps me to get more content to this channel. And that's what we need right now. We need it to grow and more content, and I'll be able to add even more cameras, more other things to the channel. Anyway, please hit subscribe. It's not going to cost anything. Thank you for subscribing, and back to the video. Got myself all wet. Anyway, beautiful day here. Yes, guess what? I'm gonna go testing. That's right. Testing was actually rained out last night, or cold out last night, however you want to say it. Probably rained out. Anyway, we are going to get ready, go out to the track and do some testing. That's right. Be the first time we took out the car this year. So looking forward to it. And let's go ahead and get the day started, get the truck connected up to the trailer, get on down the track. So here we go. I have to remember how we do all this. Been out of practice, I guess you could say. So trailer, fuel, steps, fuel holder, truck. Yeah, lots of things to remember. So okay, we're all loaded up, ready to go. Leave here about 10 minutes. Oh, God darn it. Okay. That's an automated sprinkler. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's to keep the ducks and chickens out of my garden here. Great. Oh, God. That thing's pretty sensitive. Okay, let's get in the truck. Yep, trailer's behind us. That means we're getting ready to leave. we are heading out to Tulsa Raceway Park, and we're going to do some test and tune. It's be the first time we have took the car out this season. Really didn't change that much over the winter time. We basically rewired the car. I have a video up here. I think it's 2 or 3 parts video series, but anyway, rewired the car, and that's about it really. Just cleaned up a lot of things inside, but we just rewired the car. Didn't do anything too crazy with the car. So we are going to go out here and make sure everything's ready to go for next weekend up in Mocan. We are going to put a 1-inch riser underneath the carb. I'm kind of curious to see if it picks it up or not. I tried that experiment once, it didn't pick up, but I've never tried it with these PRC heads. So, really kind of curious if it will pick it up or not. It's probably gonna be a very busy day out there. The weather here is beautiful. I mean, as I can pan you around here, it is nice out here. So it should be plenty fast, a lot of people. So we're gonna try to get a head start and get out there early and get through the gate so we get things set up, warmed up, and get down the track as soon as possible. So anyway, I'm gonna have my 360-degree camera, so hopefully later on in the video, you'll be seeing that as well. So with that, let's get on down the road, get to the track, get set up, and see what this car will do today. Hopefully everything goes good with my wiring and all that stuff. I think it will, so we won't know until we test it going down the track. So anyway, let's get going. It's in the back. Woohoo! Made it to the track. Getting some fuel. Here we go, get checked in. That's gonna be a good shot. Can't wait to see how they come out. Anyway, we did 2 quick passes. We did, believe this or not, I don't have my phone with me, but we ran what, 2 658s, back-to-back passes. So what we did, we stuck should have kept the hood off, but stuck a 1-inch spacer underneath the carb. We had no, I think that's a 2-inch. I had an inch on there, went to a 2-inch. So we're going to see if 2 inches does anything or not. So with that, let's go ahead and try that, see what happens. So here we go. Man, what a day. Let me go tick that up. Yeah, we made 3 passes. Came out pretty good. We found something interesting. We added a 2-inch riser to it, had a 1-inch on it, and it actually picked up. I'll post my times here in the video and you can see for yourself. I ran back-to-back passes, all the same lane too. I had 2 lanes at 2 658s. Then on the 3rd pass, we put the 2-inch riser on it, and that's when it picked up a whole 3 numbers. So yeah, and almost a mile an hour. So I think we're gonna go ahead and keep it on there and try that at the first race, see how that goes. Other than that, the car did really great. We had a little bit of wiring issues I had to get figured out. When I get on the line lock, for some reason it wants to activate the trans brake. I don't know. So anyway, need to get that figured out. I think the temperature gauge was messing up, but it started working, so I think we're good with that. I think motor was pretty cold. But so with that, this is a success. So let's get on home, get the trailer back in the shop, and call it a day. So look at this, pretty nice day out here. Do you have any thoughts?
Beautiful day.
Yeah, beautiful day.